Hey, what's good? It's your girl, Rich Soul, and today I am having a taste of Chicago. I have some, I went to Chicago Skips Dogs or Chicago Dog Skips, whatever, but it's a place around here. So I was just like, can I please get a taste of Chicago? I got a piece of puff. Italian, well, no, that's Italian. I got a Chicago dog and an Italian beef. So I'm about to get into this. Ooh, this looks good so far. Let me show y'all my piece of puff. Okay. Definitely tastes like Chicago. And then I have a Chicago dog. Shout out to 106 and Cat FM. She was eating that Chicago dog. I said, I gotta find me a place here in Atlanta. It gotta be somewhere. So here's my Chicago dog. Yes. Take these peppers off. So how you guys doing today? Oh yes. You got the pickle on there. I couldn't wait to tear this up. And the Italian beef was dipped. Got some cheese on there, some peppers. Okay. Definitely reminds me of home. Oh yeah. Nice and cold. Coldest water bottle, you guys. Check it out. You won't be disappointed. This is so good. Got the poppy seeds action going on the hot dog bun. So good. I was so hungry. Good old pickle. I love pickles. Ooh, spicy pepper. And thank goodness I got 2 pizza puffs, because this is really good. So my last challenge, I did a tiny hand, and they were foam hands. So I ordered some plastic hands, so therefore you can kind of grip it better. Because the foam, I tried to be cheap. It was $9.99 on Amazon. So please get the plastic tiny hands if you're gonna ever do a tiny hand challenge. That was a struggle for real. I'm surprised I made it through that much. So good. Pizza puff. Chicago style. Italian beef is good. I think Chicago is a little bit better, but it's a good flavor though. I gotta give it to them. It's good and all, but Chicago a little bit better. I mean, pizza puff and the hot dogs is good. Yeah. Oh, it's nothing like some cold water on a hot day. Now I'm getting full already. My eyes is bigger than my stomach. That was good though. It's my first time trying that place. Well, I just wanted to come with a quick video today to let y'all know how I'm trying out this new spot in Chicago, Dog Skips, or Chicago Skip Dogs here in Atlanta. Overall, it's good. The pizza puff is definitely number one. Definitely reminds me of Chicago. So, your girl is full. That's what I'm talking about. I got some on my teeth. Woo. Yes. Well, let me know what you guys ate today and how was your day. Until next time, peace and love. Mwah.
For better or worse, vows were spoken. I thought our love was special, even golden. So many lies, deceits causing corrosions. Another chance only for wounds to reopen. Never faithful, so many women was chosen.